boy. And she's a cute little rabbit. All right, here we go. Elinor's got a big old head, she does, just like this. There we go. And what we can do is, this is her hair. It's gonna frame her face, just like this and that. You draw that, make it all squiggly like down here like this. That's fun. And then what we're gonna do is draw her face, shaped by her hair right here, like that. Bring her hair down like this. Bring her other piece of hair, shaping her face like this. And then circle her chin around like this and into her hair like that. Very nice, everybody. Here's an eyebrow. Her other eyebrow could be around here. This is looking good. And she's got beautiful long eyes, just like this. Make them as thick as you like. And a cute little bunny nose right about there. Oh, like this. And then she's got a big wide mouth. Looks like it's smiling. Some teeth and a bit of a tongue right here. This is fun. I like this. And the best part about this now is we can make a whole bunch of lines in her hair. I like doing that because that's a lot of fun. There we go. Perfect. This is a lot of good times right about here. Here's her neck. All right, and she's got a dress on, she does. That's gonna shape her body like this. And here the straps come down like this. And this will be her sleeve right about here. And then she's gonna have another sleeve right about here. Continue her dress down right here, just like that. Bring it around like this. And back up again, just to meet her sleeve there. And then we can draw her arm bits right here, one down like that. The other arm can come down here like this. And now we're ready to draw her hands. So there's one finger, here's her thumb, and then we can draw her other finger, 1, 2, and then her palm right there. Then over here, let's draw her 3 fingers here, like this, and her thumb right about there, like that. This is looking nice. I like this. Let's give her a bit of a belt here. Very cute. And we'll finish her dress off right down like that. I like that. That's fun. Some legs. One here, another leg there, and her cute bunny feet, just like this and that. Let's not forget her toes. Let's do the same over here. This foot could be looking a little more forward at us, and then her toes there like that. Very nice, everybody. Now all we got left to do is her ears. Elinor's ears, her bunny rabbit ears, they've got to come up right about here. Right like that. There's one, and her other ear's gonna come up here like this. Very nice, everybody. Let's give it a little bit of ear bit here. There we go. And it's Elinor. Let's make sure her hair gets all the way around. And she's done. Oh, I love it. Let's get to the color. Elinor has dark hair and mouth, purple shirt and belt, red dress and tongue, pink ears and nose. Thanks, everyone.